Understanding Multilevel Marketing, MLM. A detailed overview. Multilevel marketing, MLM, has gained considerable attention as a unique sales strategy employed by many companies, particularly those in the direct sales sector. While MLM carries a legitimate business structure, it is often shrouded in controversy due to its similarity to illegal pyramid schemes. In this article, we will explore what MLM is, its operational mechanics, its pros and cons, and notable industry players. What is multilevel marketing? Multilevel marketing is a retail and sales model in which individuals, known as distributors or independent business owners, sell products and services directly to consumers. The allure of MLM lies in its dual earning potential, where participants can earn commissions not only from direct sales but also from sales made by recruits they bring into the business. In this sense, each distributor builds a network, often referred to as their downline, creating multiple layers of commission-based income. Key features of MLM. Commission structure. Distributors earn a percentage of their sales and a portion from the sales generated by their recruits. As they expand their network by recruiting new members, their earning potential increases. Product focus. A legitimate MLM primarily generates its income from product sales rather than recruitment, differentiating itself from pyramid schemes. Independent business model. Participants operate as independent contractors, allowing for flexible work schedules and the ability to set personal sales goals. How does MLM work? 1. Recruitment. Current members encourage friends, family, and acquaintances to join the business. Recruits become part of the distributor's downline and are also incentivized to sell products and recruit further. 2. Sales strategy. Distributors sell products through various means, direct outreach, social media platforms, or hosting parties. As they sell, they earn commissions that can vary based on volume and product type. 3. Payment structure. Earnings are typically tiered. The top-level distributors earn more due to the volume of recruits and sales down the chain. A few succeed in creating substantial incomes while many struggle to break even or earn minimal profits. Depicting the structure of MLM. Imagine a pyramid. At the apex are the top earners, who benefit the most from their expansive networks. As you move down, the earnings typically decrease. This structural analogy is critical to understanding how MLM operates. Special considerations. Legitimacy issues. Many MLMs operate legally, yet their reputation can be negatively impacted by illegal pyramid schemes. Pyramid schemes often rely on recruitment for revenue, offering returns solely based on new member fees, rather than actual product sales. Familiarizing oneself with key characteristics can help to distinguish a legitimate MLM from a pyramid scheme. Product sales versus recruitment. Genuine MLMs emphasize product sales to consumers rather than incentivizing solely recruitment. Income disclosure. Legitimate MLMs should provide transparency regarding the earnings of distributors at various levels. Personal suitability. MLM might be an ideal fit for individuals with entrepreneurial mindsets who possess strong sales and networking skills. However, one must be realistic about income expectations and the considerable effort required to achieve success in this field. Recognizing red flags. The Federal Trade Commission, FTC, outlines red flags to help individuals identify potentially illegal MLM operations. Exaggerated income claims, promises of significant earnings with little time or effort. Recruitment-focused pitching, stressing recruitment over product sales to generate profits. High entry costs. If initial investment focuses more on buying products than earning commissions from subsequent sales, it may be a warning sign. Pressure to join, feeling rushed or manipulated into joining without adequate research. Notable multilevel marketing companies. Several MLM businesses have become household names, each illustrating unique approaches within the industry. 1. Amway. With a presence in over 100 countries, Amway is a leader in the MLM sector, deriving significant revenues from the sales of health, beauty, and home care products. 2. Herbalife Nutrition. Known for weight loss and nutritional products, Herbalife has faced scrutiny and legal challenges over its practices. In 2016, it restructured its business under FTC scrutiny to emphasize product sales. 3. Avon. One of the oldest and most recognized brands, Avon employs an MLM model relying on sales representatives who host gatherings and reach out to customers directly. 4. Tupperware. Operating on a direct sales model, Tupperware exemplifies a successful MLM strategy, organizing parties and home kitchens to sell their products. The bottom line. While multilevel marketing provides a legitimate avenue for sales and entrepreneurship, it is essential for potential participants to discern the differences from pyramid schemes. The critical aspect is a sustained focus on selling actual products rather than simply recruiting new members. Individuals should weigh their options carefully, researching the specific company and its operational methodologies before diving into the MLM landscape. As the industry continues to evolve, understanding the dynamics of MLM can empower future participants to make informed decisions, minimizing risks while maximizing potential opportunities for income and personal growth.